Good day to you all. My name is Dr. Adebola Adejimi. I'm a lecturer, a public health physician at University of Lagos in Nigeria. I'm from the Department of Community Health and Primary Care. I'm also a PhD student in my final year of study at University of Ibadan in Nigeria, specializing in reproductive and family health. So I'm actually hoping to get the PhD in public health soon. The title of my dissertation is Acceptability and Validation of Self-Collected Genital Sample for the Detection of HPV, Human Papillomavirus Infection, for the prevention of cervical cancer among HIV positive and negative women in Lagos Teaching Hospital, Nigeria. I applied for this course on policy development and policy writing because I have been conducting research for a while, and then I've been seeing the need to actually involve the policymaker in using my research findings, and then to be able to communicate the research findings effectively with them. I believed I needed some knowledge, and I needed to learn more about how to communicate my findings effectively to the policymaker so that they can understand my findings and make use of my findings in their work. So, and it has been a great opportunity. I've learned a lot of things, how to actually communicate effectively. I've learned about policymakers and then the environment, communication skills, and how to present my work in terms of data visualization, in skills and effective communication skills, and the rest. So many things that I've learned, and it has been very useful for me. I've really gained a lot. And I'm going to use this all the things I've learned during the course of this workshop in many ways. It's going to affect me in the way I do my work now. When I'm thinking of my research, I will think of how it will actually affect policy formulation and implementation. And I will also think of how to be able to communicate it effectively so that they can understand in simple language, and then they'll be able to use it. And then I will be able to actually do some policy briefs even before I do my publication, and see the need and the implications and the policy implications of my work, and make appropriate recommendation that will be smart according to what you have learned. That is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. And then I will also be able to communicate, I will also be able to transfer the knowledge I've learned to my students and even my colleagues at work, because it's something that I think majority of us need. These are kinds of training that we may not have opportunity to gain during the course of our training, and then it's something that we're learning. So I'm going to step down the information and the teaching to my colleagues at work and also my students. So it's going to be very useful in my space where I teach, where I work, and in my service provision. And then I see myself making a good impact in my country, Nigeria, in terms of policy formulation in the nearest future. So I'm looking forward to making giving a lot of research and something that will be able to affect policy formulation and implementation in Nigeria. So in the next 5 years, I wish to evaluate myself to see how much I've been able to do using what I have learned in this program. Thank you very much.